We're gonna be replacing this Maytag. So we got a couple of screws up here. We're gonna unplug. Okay. Put some tacks in there. Have it up against the line. It's gonna ask us to drill 3/16 hole right here, and we're gonna kind of outline this line right here. For a full 8-minute video, subscribe to Mend and Make. So right here, this front edge, there's one right there, and there's one right there where it says J and K. It's calling for a 3/8 bit. So we're gonna go ahead and drill those out. Right there, it's gonna call for a 2-inch cutout, hole saw cutout for the cord, and we'll do that as well. The groove, and you go ahead and route up your cord. You're good to go. All right, guys, I hope y'all like this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe for us, and we will see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.